I typed one sentence into Canva and it built me this entire campaign. Like, these are multiple branded assets that I can use for a Faceless channel, and this is just from one prompt. Canva just launched some of the most insane features. I want to show you 12 that I think are most game-changing. So the first thing that you need to do is to sign up and sign in into Canva. I'm going to leave for you a link for that in the description down below. Now, once you're signed up and signed in and you have access to Canva AI 2.0, and how to access it is just to go to your homepage, go to where it says Canva AI, and you're already good to go. So we are looking for this big blue button, and you're going to access it on the homepage. You're going to access it inside of your designs. You're going to access it in the editor. So essentially, there are 5 core capabilities and everything else builds around them, and I want to break them down for you. So the first feature, and this one is really huge, is a conversational design. So essentially what this does is you describe your idea, exactly what you want Canva to build, and within seconds it builds it out for you. And in case you want anything changed, you just keep talking to it, ask it to change the color, ask it to make it darker, like any change that you want, you just tell it in the conversation. It's able to implement that for you. And number 2, we have connectors. So Canva now lets you connect to your most used apps right inside of Canva, so you never have to leave the app. That is you being able to connect to Gmail, connecting to your Drive, connecting to your Zoom, like all those tools, you can be able to connect with them right inside of Canva. For example, if you had something in your Drive and you needed to create a design around it, you just ask it to fetch that from your Drive, and it's going to do exactly that. That is what you can see happening in this example right here. It's able to go to my Drive, pull out what I've asked it to pull out, and create a design around that, which I think is completely insane. So this means you don't have to copy paste, you don't have to keep switching apps. All you need to do is just tell Canva what you need done, and it's able to do that for you so long as you connect the apps. And by the way, if you're learning anything from this and getting value from the video, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. It also really helps with the algorithm. And if you love number 2, you're going to love number 3 even more, because number 3 is a memory library. And what this means is that Canva now remembers you. It remembers previous designs you've done. It remembers your style. It remembers your preferences. It remembers your voice and your tone. So as you continue to create the designs with Canva AI, you're going to realize that the designs are more you, like they're less AI, and they have your tone in there. They have your brand colors, so this makes it so much easier for you to maintain like a consistency across all your platforms. And the best way to test this is just to go to the Canva AI button on your homepage and then go to where it says create about me. Just click on that and watch the magic happen. This is what I actually created for mine. So you can see in here, it's able to create like a profile about me. And this is just from the designs that I've been making. So I haven't written this out. It has just gone into the designs and it's been able to pick out like this profile about me. And number 4, which is a favorite for me, is scheduling. So you can now set Canva to automatically generate and schedule content for you on a regular basis. All you need to do is to put in your prompt, and then you set the schedule and then go on and do your other things, because by the time you come back on the scheduled time, you're going to find that Canva has already gone ahead and created the content for you. So you can set it once to generate content for you every Monday morning, and it's going to do exactly that, which I think you're able to do like so much more with the saved time. And number 5 is research, another favorite for me. So Canva now has inbuilt web research. So you ask it to create a design and go ahead and get research from the web, and it's able to go in, do the research for you, and then come back and create the design. Like, that is hitting 2 birds with one stone. So you don't have to leave Canva to go to Google to do your research there. Canva is able to do like the research for you right inside here, and then go ahead and create the design for you. Another favorite for me is that it allows you to code using plain English. For example, I asked it to build a quiz for African history, and you can see it went ahead and created that for me. Like, this is really interactive. I actually played it out, and you can see it goes ahead and shows me when I have the wrong answer, when I have the right answer, and my totals at the end, which is really awesome. I don't need to know any code to be able to do this. Canva builds it for me. And this is like very basic. If you want to take it further, you can build like fully fledged quizzes, you can build trackers, you can build landing pages, like all this without you ever writing a single line of code. Now, another favorite for me is that Canva now allows you to create like your own elements. So you can generate charts, you can generate graphics, you can generate forms, you can generate generate 3D objects, even music right inside of Canva. And I want to show you these ones individually because they totally blew me away. So the first of under elements is the music and the sound effects generator. Like this one was totally insane for me. So I asked it to create for me cinematic, dramatic background music for an African history channel for about 20 seconds. And you can see Canva starting to generate. Let's play this. Like this was absolutely insane for me. Like I don't have to leave Canva to create music for my videos. I can do it like right inside of Canva where I'm also doing the design work. So this is game changing. Yeah, and it's really simple. You just type out what you want. Canva generates the music for you. And you can do this for music. You can do this for sound effects, which is really awesome. Totally game changing for anyone wanting to create unique music to use for their videos. And next we have the 3D elements. Like I legit had so much fun creating these ones. Yeah, so you just type out what you want and then you watch Canva create it, and then you can play around with them. Like you can rotate them, you can put them upside down, you can put them, one behind the other. Like this is so much fun. You can even recolor them right inside of Canva. Like you never have to leave the app. So think about what this means for your intro sequences. Like you can have these characters doing different things and you just watch them. I think like this is so much fun just to do, and you don't need to learn any complicated skills. You don't need to use Blender. You don't need to use like any 4D tools. It is just you describing what you want and Canva creates it for you. And then we have the graphics generation. Like you can generate one graphic and then cycle through to 5 or 6 styles. So that is illustrated. You can have it as cinema, like all these other different styles. You can be able to play around with them until you get what it is that you want for your particular design or project. And you just choose the one that matches your style or your brand. I think this gives you like so much flexibility around the kind of graphics that you can generate. And then we have the AI generated forms. Like this one is a total game changer, and it is another favorite for me. Like you can create forms just by using one prompt. I put in one sentence and asked it to create a form for me, and the results totally blew me away. Like look at all this. Like all this has been created just me writing one sentence inside of Canva. Imagine what this means for your lead forms. Imagine what it means for your email captures. Like you could be able to do like so much with this, and you don't even have to be a designer. You just have to come to Canva, write in that one prompt, and it's going to generate that for you. And I hope you're starting to see like the power of this. Like you can do so many things just by you writing prompts, and they don't even have to be like complicated prompts or JSON prompts or all that kind of stuff. It is just sentences. Canva is able to do that for you, and then you just continue the conversation to adjust the design. Yeah, and there's so much more that you can do with the elements, but let me show you some of the level ups that Canva has done. Yeah, so there's about 8 upgrades that Canva has done. Like this is on top of everything else. So the first one is a learn grid, and this one is not necessarily just for creators. This one can be used if you're like a teacher or you're supporting like a child to learn, or you do like homeschooling. This one is going to come like really in handy. And next we have the print shop. So for example, you have designed like t-shirts for your Faceless channel or posters or things like that. You can now go inside of the print shop and actually ask for them to be printed and then shipped to you, which I think is totally insane because it guarantees the quality of what you're getting, and also because you're creating the designs right inside of Canva and just sending them to print, it's going to be totally seamless. And next we have Canva Offline. Like remember all those times when you've created your design and then maybe you've gone to do like a presentation and you're there physically, and maybe you don't even have Wi-Fi because it's like a remote part maybe in Africa somewhere. Yeah, and these are some of the features that I've found to be really insane. I'm going to be doing more detailed tutorials showing you exactly how you can combine some of these for your Faceless channels, so ensure you're subscribed for that. My name is Paris, and I'll catch you on the next one.